Next, Wrexham Council has confirmed it will press ahead with a stricter hybrid working model despite strong staff opposition. From September, workers will be expected in the office 4 days a week and allowed only 1 day of remote working. More than 90% of staff had backed keeping the current 3-2 split. A scrutiny committee warned the change could harm staff retention and morale and conflict with equality and recruitment goals, but the executive board said the decision was based on operational needs and service priorities. Officials added that only a portion of staff were consulted and that most employees cannot work remotely. A review of available workspace and a 12-month policy review have been promised. Train passengers faced delays this week after cattle wandered onto the North Wales Coast Rail Line. Services were disrupted between Colwyn Bay and Llandudno Junction after animals entered the track area. At least 2 trains were held at nearby stations, including Rhyl and Abergele and Pensarn. Rail staff worked alongside a local farmer to safely remove the animals and restore the line. Transport for Wales said engineers had to inspect the track before trains could resume and warned of wider disruption to services throughout the afternoon. Some evening journeys also ran with delays due to the earlier incident. Almost 3,000 children are now waiting for neurodiversity assessments in parts of North Wales, with some families waiting up to 4 years. Health Board officials were questioned at a council scrutiny meeting where concerns were raised about the knock-on effects for education, mental health and access to services. The National Autistic Society called the delays unacceptable and urged urgent reform. Police in Wrexham are warning about high-quality fake £50 notes being circulated by organised criminal gangs. Crime Stoppers says such counterfeit money has led to retailers, schools, charities and vulnerable people being conned. Local police stress that businesses are not obliged to accept any banknote, despite claims of legal tender. They advise caution, especially with low-value purchases where change is given. Common signs include pristine notes used to buy easily resold goods, like fuel, cigarettes or scratch cards. Police urge anyone who suspects they've received a fake note to report it immediately, helping to disrupt the criminal networks behind them.